Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Linux Cloud Mentor. Today topic is how to install MySQL 8.2 through Python scripts on Red Hat 9.2. Let's start quickly. I have access operating system 9.2. Let me check first hostname CTL, right? Then I need to check few things like Firewall and SELinux. Right, Firewall is enabled and active mode. Let me check SELinux. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Command is wrong. SES status. So SELinux enabled and active mode. Let's start quickly. So I need to repo clone from GitHub, right? So repo clone Linux cloud mentor data basis, right? Now repo is clone from GitHub. So script is here. So actually, I have downloaded MySQL package from MySQL website. So I copy here. Actually, I downloaded due to time saving. Now is here. Okay, let's start Python 3 MySQL install.py. Here is the input MySQL version 8.20. MySQL port. You set the customized port like 10,001. Username is root. Password is test question mark 6. Now you see the package is already downloaded. Now script is running and installing the packages. So MySQL installation is completed and restart the services. Now you see the set the password of root. So it's asking the MySQL new user. So if you required a new user during the installation, set here. So it's asking the host. If you set localhost, so after that mentor user is accessible from this machine only. If you set percentage, so this user is accessible from any IP address. Now you see the mentor user created successfully. I want to stop the script. Now you see the print the all users. So quickly check the command line access mentor user. After that, I tried from MySQL workbench. So mentor user is login successfully. Check the databases. Create database for testing purpose. Now you see the database created successfully from mentor user. Now I need to exit this user and log in from root. So my root user is successfully logged in. Check the databases. It's visible on root user. Yes, right. I created cloud database from mentor user. Now is visible on root user. So let's try from MySQL workbench. So check few things. Port is allowed in Firewalld D and SELinux. Yes, port is allowed in Firewall D and an SELinux. SMNH port -L grep 10,001. Yes, port is allowed in MySQL SEManage. Now create a connection from workbench, giving the IP address of Linux server and set the customized port. Then enter the mentor user and test connection. Save the password. Now you see the successful made the MySQL connection via mentor user. Check the database is visible. As cloud is visible. Test the create database one more for testing purpose. Linux. Now is created.